Surprise! Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Wanna miss me? Cause I'm missing her. So I know I'm not supposed to go 4 days now, but just sit with me, guys. But did I try to like get some stuff done and get some stuff together. But I come back and make a give on vlogs, make a give on videos, and I did a record in the meantime because I did a collaboration. So I can get something. So I never did just sit down and be lackadaisical. So it's morning time. But let me just tell you what my plans for today. So I go Clarendon, I go look for my mommy, get some stuff done, guys. I be a run up and down I have to do, and when you're an adult, stressful. But remember me telling us that I work on my little section. Let me show you what came yesterday. Alright guys, my computer desk, it reached it there. Yes guys, I paid somebody to make my computer desk. I love it. Just one and two little faults like right here, so, and I'm assuming it's the material, you know, it natural, but I really love it. I took it in white. Reason for that, we're not gonna always have a yellow background. Me and the color really not work, especially for like recording purposes. So I saw this design on the internet and I said, would I really love one computer desk like that? So just send somebody the image and pay them for make it like this. You probably wonder what them here. So this is for my backdrop. Right, these are the clip. These are the stand for the backdrop, or upside down. These are the stand for the backdrop. You can adjust. These are the pole for go across for hold the backdrop. And this, the cloth. Yes. I don't want to see it. I wonder if I show you. Hold on. When I see this, when I go open up now, it did look prettier. It looks better. I mean, I love it. Well, me like it, but it kind of disappoint me. I think it would have been brighter. But let me show you so you can be the judge. So this is it. So it's marble. I want to call it marble. It's probably not show up good. If I go in the sun for me to see it, but it's big. What I'm gonna do is to iron it. Babe. Yeah. Come help me demonstrate something. Help you.
I almost look like baby PP and square.
Yeah. So I saw it look. When it did that up, alright, when I get it. But yeah. So me personally no like it. Me did like it before me order it because it did look so dark and nice on Amazon. But when it come, me I say so me I go and hold off on the whole backdrop thing. But for now, the table reach. That's just send down my computer chair. Probably reach by now. Gonna get it probably tomorrow or so. Nice cute computer chair. Hopefully it's comfy. And yeah, that's how I want for now. Laptop I gonna come soon. I saving towards one so I can get a good laptop. So I just go and work with my computer desk and chair for now without laptop. If I have to do something on the laptop, like type up a document or something, I can use just a laptop. So that's not a problem. And I like the house out of one laptop. May I save towards one, so probably about February, March, April. March, April, I can own one for myself. So yeah, we'll go to bed. Soon come back. Alright guys, so I'm finished get ready. Jess is still there. I find something for wear. Tell you what story my mother used to tell me. You see, if you have two pair, you left out the house. Yes, we can find on this. Remember I'm gonna tell me guys, from me catch up my hair like this, every time I gonna want me just brush it up and it's a go on strong. I don't want to know the trick. Comment and let me know. Say yes, Andra. I want to know where you used to catch up your hair. The girl with the Jesse ear, she did a very good job because I know it still not look pull up. But me gonna pull it up before his birthday. Wash it. Yes, me I got your ear for your birthday just like.
Can't get done.
Whatever. But we are up on the road and yeah, that's what I did want for show you. When the whole thing done set up, I go show you how it look because I don't know how we go through it together. But guys, just stay with me. Don't get upset. I did have to take them 4 days there for myself because I did just have so much I get done. So it's not easy when you have certain stuff I deal with, especially when you live in Jamaica. But I just want to get certain stuff out of the way because when you're adult, it's a whole lot of stuff you have to do. So yeah, but now I'm free and I'm good. Yeah. Me and Jason will leave out one time, but Jason, me and him now go the same place. Me need to go down and my mommy, may I try to see if me and my stepfather can come. I'm not sure how that I go, but further down in the vlog we probably like see what we can do. So guys, me change up a room and me not like me I feel it, me love it. Baby, love it?
Yeah man, me love it.
Me really love how me set it. Me not think me gonna move up around the room again. Worse now the computer deck's in there. So Jason gonna have his station out here so and me have my station in the room because Jason do more work than me. Plus him louder than me. So I just lock him off in the living area. Alright guys, so we're ready to leave now. Later. Mommy. Love you. Yeah boy. Let me get her off of my back. Guys, may I try to find somewhere safe and quiet because the music a blast down here and me and the music thing not gonna work out, so I'm gonna record and tell you now what I'm up to. Okay, anyways, I want to surprise my mom with a stove. My stepfather up on him way. I come down, I come in at the town and mommy gone home. I couldn't wait to get her off of my hand because I know she ruined my surprise. But for the longest while, my mommy didn't want one new stove. And what I love about her the most, she humble. She never did a fuss about it. She never did a talk about it. Until Christmas, when the whole baking for go on. And she said, boy, look how I love baking, I open and work, blah, blah, blah. And I love when my mother happy. Because no matter what, my mother tries to make her happy and comfortable. Guys, so I really like the one here and I'm going to make it. So I think I'm going to go with this one. And it's big and my mother loves bake. So the oversize good. I really like it. Simple and nice. I think I'm going to go with the one here. Guys, I don't like the one that I like this because this is stainless steel. Anyway, it makes for heavy duty. I really like that one here. That one here is nice. And the overseas big same way. And I same brand. So I'm going to make it. What do you think? My mother deserves good things, you know. I take that one here. That one here is nice. The stainless steel. It's heavy and nice too. See like this material. So it's final. I think Mama like it. She have a surprise in it. She have a surprise. again. Surprise!
Oh, good. I like it.
Mr. Lever.
I'm Mr. Google.
Yes.
Good job. Let me go there. Me up and go there. I'm supposed to go back. When I'm wicked, you're supposed to me. I'm out of talk. We can't get a beer.
Me tell her no. Me tell her that she want big.
Jackie, you really had this coming here. I can't get enough cake.
Guys, before me go, you know what pepperoni pizza. Before me go any further, me have to say a huge thank you to my friend because me don't know if him never come to and help me, he would reach over here. Cause the people them would do the delivery, them never did available. So thank you so much when you watch this. I really appreciate it. So my mother stripped down our stove. Never mind the house. Work I do so. It's gonna look like this.
Thank you.
The top on the blue eye plastic to come off. A stainless steel.
Jackie, cook up for me because I cook on this evening.
Yeah.
I let me know cook this in the cook.
Then I can get pepperoni pizza now.
Oh my God.
In there now. Pull it from that side there. Like how this already have space. It's big enough?
You know, me miss the bacon because you don't know what to do to me. Me always
You like it, Mimi?
Look at
You
it,
like
look at cupcake. Look at cupcake.
Guys, so it's to fit in a spot. Perfect. Mr. Father D cut out the right thing. Woo! So yeah. Yep. So yeah. So my mother's stove. And it's set up. And it's nice. It's chalky. Moment of truth. And this is where they come from now. Woo! Mommy! Come look. Your stove is up and running.
Miss, I know over that word, man. This house now what I put me.
There go sec. Right now me hot. I'm hot. Whoa! Alright guys, mission accomplished. So yeah, that's how I made it really up to fit today. I'm happy and the kids them love the stove. And my mother alone happy them happy too because they get the box to go make dalios. Guys, if you have kids at home, comment and let me know. Let me say for my sister them alone or niece. Every chance them get them make dalios. They move the settee and throw a sheet over it and call it them dalios. Now them get the box, them in them dalios. But me not complain still because them do very good in a school. Very, very, very good. Now my mother happy. Now my family happy. Now I can be happy. I make my husband happy. And that's it. Everybody happy. Guys, if you're out there and not live good with the family, just try to make it right. See, you see the whole heap of blame game, like when you know someone not live good, I want to play a whole heap of blame game, like no, you did do this or me did do that. Cut it out and start over fresh. Because we have your family member them around you with genuinely love you. Best feeling ever. When you're hungry, and I remember say you're hungry when you have genuine family member around you. And me not lie, I'm just glad all my mother and my whole family live. Me really love it, me really appreciate it. All of we help each other. If somebody in a one difficult situation, if we can't help it, well I will chip in and do one and two things. We really love that. So yeah. I don't want to get emotional right now. And guys, thanks to Una as well. I really love Una bad. If you support me, thanks. I almost reached a 50k. I remember last year, I asked for 10k for my birthday. Now I asked for 50k. I am so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I don't want to get emotional. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.